Hey you! New year, new collabs! Today I'm very excited because I got to participate with some of my old friends and made some new ones too, on an amazing collab of video games. Anastazia Custom organized an incredible group of people to create some of our favorite characters from different video games. The artists involved in this collab are Anastazia Custom, Creatus the Law, Dollmill, Dollmotion, Doll's brand new look, Dollumentary, Myminimon, Skeriosities, the Doll Fairy, the Dolly Geek, Tiamat Creations, Dance, and me, Kyro's Workshop. The character I chose for this project is Ribbon Girl from the game ARMS. ARMS is a very cool and different Nintendo fighting game, where the characters have very long arms, awesome moves, and sick combo finishers. So grab your controllers and press start. Today I'm using a Reboot Raven Queen doll, and as you can see I removed her arms from the beginning to make space for the new ones. I'm starting with the face up, marking with a light brown where I want her new features to be. I'm not using too much color pencils because for this doll I'm concentrating on acrylic paint. All the ARMS fighters have masks, so here I'm marking the one she has. For her makeup, I'm using royal blue for her eyeshadow. And then I'm coloring the iris with a light blue. For the lips, I'm just marking where I want them to be, because I'm going to paint them with acrylic later. Now, to fill up the mask, I mix some baby pink and red color to get the magenta she has. On the corner of the eyes I mixed yellow and green to get lime green. Then with yellow I'm filling up the eyebrows. Also, all the characters have some kind of a spiral on the eyes, so with dark blue I'm tracing that. There's no much detail for her on the face-up, so I'm just adding some catch lights, and then I'll add some 3D lashes, which I'll paint with the same real blue from the eyeshadow. Ribbon Girl has, well, ribbon for hair, so with my trusty foam putty I'm cutting some rectangles, and I'm going to put them on her head. I'm also using these to create the bangs and the ponytail. Sorry for not having the complete footage of her hair. I actually had to repeat everything because I messed it up. Now for the most important thing of this character, the arms. I grabbed 2 pieces of pink ribbon and then I'm filling them up with wire to make them poseable. I created a loop on the top of the wire and add some stitches to secure the ribbon to the wire. On the other side, I'm going to create a bigger loop. That would fit perfectly on the hole where her arms used to be. Using the same foam putty, I created her classic boxing gloves, and I'll paint them with acrylics. Using darker tones of yellow, I'm adding some textures. Now let's glue those arms. I'm filling the hole with hot glue. The loop I created will help to make the armature stronger. And I'll also glue the ponytail on her head. At last, I'm gluing the boxing gloves on the tip of the arms. Off camera, I painted her hair blonde. For the outfit, Ribbon Girl uses a red shirt with ribbon sleeves and a black leather chest piece. As I won't be able to remove the shirt from her because of the gloves, I'm using a stretchy fabric to the tank and I'll close it on the doll. Then I'll glue the leather pieces on the top. and I'll also add her logo to the front piece. I made a pleated skirt with silky fabric and painted a white stripe on the bottom. And for the shoes, I grab a pair of Monster High cheerleading ankle boots and paint them red with graphite bottoms. Are you ready? I really love making dolls from my favorite games. Comment down below which is your favorite video game. Don't forget to watch the rest of the videos from this amazing team of artists. The links to their channels are listed down on the description box. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And click the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. See you on the next time. Kyro out!